In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob. This particular key fob was used between 2005 and 2007 and uses one CR2032 battery. You could just get one of these online. We'll leave a link in the description to get one on Amazon for a couple bucks, and you can just follow along, do it yourself at home. Okay, look towards on the left side where the key is. If you look, you will see this little indentation, little opening. We can stick something like a flathead screwdriver in and twist. Just hold it firmly and give it a twist like that, and you'll start to create this separation down the side. You can just pull it apart with your fingers, or you can continue working down, twisting. Until it comes apart like that. Now we will just remove this rubber piece with the circuit board inside. Pop out the battery, just gently get your tool beneath it and push up, and it will fly out like that. Take a new CR2032, make sure the positive side goes face down, and just click it back into place. Now just reassemble everything, put this rubber on top till it sits in place, and just click the face of the key fob back in place, just like that. Now you're all set, super easy. If you found this helpful, go ahead and leave us a like or give us a comment down below. And for more information on changing the batteries of key fobs for other makes and models, go ahead and go to fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.